Are you running into a cannot verify server identity error on your Mail app after that recent iOS update? Don't worry, you're not alone. This error usually pops up because of problems with your email server settings, SSO certificates, or even network issues. Let's dive into the steps to troubleshoot and fix this pesky issue. Solution 1. Verify SSL and email protection settings. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now, find the Mail app and tap on it. Then, select your email account that's giving you trouble. After that, tap on Advanced Settings. From here, make sure to enable Use SSL. Go back to the Mail settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy Protection. Turn on Protect Mail Activity. Finally, simply restart your iPhone. Solution 2. Clear email app cache by offloading the app. Open Settings. Then scroll down and tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Next, scroll down and find Mail. Then choose Offload App. Tap on Offload again to confirm. After offloading, tap on Reinstall App. Solution 3. Delete and re-add the email account. First, open Settings. Then scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, scroll down and select Mail. Tap on Mail Accounts. Now, choose the account that's causing the error. Alternatively, you can re-add all your accounts. Tap on your account. After that, tap on Delete Account and confirm. Return to Accounts, tap on Add Account, and follow the on-screen instructions to re-add the same account. Solution 4. Clear browser data to remove email cookies. First, open Settings. Then scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, find Safari and tap on it. Scroll down and tap on Clear History on Website Data. Select All History. Tap on Clear History. Go back and scroll down. Tap on Advanced. Tap on Website Data. If there is any website data, remove it from here as well. After that, restart your iPhone. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the cannot verify server identity error in your iPhone's Mail app. If the issue is still hanging around, don't hesitate to reach out for more help. We have got your back.